Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you add up our selections, IKEA comes in at about $1,800, $900 for living, dining and $900 for bedroom, office. Target is a tad higher, about $2,250, $1,000 for living, dining and $1,250 for bedroom, office. And Pottery Barn is much higher at $8,000, $3,300 living, dining and $4,700 bedroom, office.
Take our lead.
Similar to stores like Costco, IKEA leverages buying a large amount of material to drive prices down. All those materials are flat-packed so that the maximum amount of product can be shipped and stored in one place.
Make your mark, take our lead.
That means you'll want to shop toward the end of winter, January and February, or the end of summer, August and September. Retailers will be discounting their old stock during these months to make room for the new styles. President's Day and Labor Day weekends are especially good times for sales.
Take our lead.
IKEA sells a variety of products, but are most known for their cheap furniture. If someone needs to redecorate their home, IKEA is the first place they go. Walmart sells furniture but is more known for being a supercenter. Walmart wants to provide quality, cheap products for their customers, too.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.